August 2019, the government announced a historic decision that would forever change the destiny of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Article 370 and 35A were abrogated, a watershed moment that led to the beginning of a new era of progress and prosperity in J&K and Ladakh. 6 years on, the transformation in both J&K and Ladakh has been nothing short of remarkable. With all the rights enshrined in the Constitution of India and benefits of all the central laws now available to the people of J&K and Ladakh, this region has embarked on a new journey of development, being at par with other states of India. The mantra of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, Sabka Prayas is now the key driver of progress in the two UTs. Whether it is women empowerment and opportunities for youth, the common people of J&K and Ladakh have also got the assurance of social justice that has been given in the Constitution of India to every other citizen of the country. Between 2021 and 2022, over 7 lakh self-employment and livelihood opportunities were created. Additionally, over 1,000 startups have been registered, with 380 of these being women-led. Today, more than 1,200 women in J&K are working as Krishi Sakhis. Central laws and flagship scheme have been implemented in both union territories so that people get their benefits and the progress of the region is accelerated. Be it road and rail connectivity, education and health-related infrastructure, or electricity and water, large-scale work is being carried out in the region. Thousands of kilometers of new roads have been built, with the world's tallest railway bridge now in J&K. For the first time, the valley of North Kashmir has been connected to the electricity grid. From agriculture, horticulture, the handloom industry, sports to startups, opportunities are being created for everyone. Democracy has been brought to the grassroots level, with the Block Development Council elections taking place in J&K for the first time since 1947. Peace and stability have returned to the regions, which, apart from bringing normalcy for the locals, has also resulted in record-breaking tourist footfall, reviving livelihoods and local crafts. In 2024 alone, J&K welcomed over 2 crore tourists. Global events like G20 and the International Day of Yoga have also been held in J&K, signaling the region's transformation into the hub of international engagement and cultural diplomacy. Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh are not only India's territorial landmass but also the pride of the nation. The region today stands tall, integrated, empowered, and on a path of peace and prosperity.